What if your family had one simple way to calm everyone's brain down faster? Hi, I'm Dr. Juna. I'm a mom, double board certified physician in lifestyle medicine and radiology, and I'm a Harvard trained educator. I created BrainTalk so that we could talk to the brain, not to the behavior or someone's character. So instead of saying, "Why are you acting like this?" we can say, "Ooh, it looks like my brain is feeling frustrated, and so is yours." This simple shift of language builds metacognition, and metacognition is that ability to notice our own thoughts, evaluating them, instead of getting caught up and acting out our thoughts. And this is Brain Bun. Brain Bun is a plush and it doesn't talk. It's visual and tactile. It's a cue to access your calm thinking brain. I've tested this approach with kids of all ages at Harvard and MIT, and I got great feedback. And even adults can use this to coach their own brains. I use it myself quite often. So anyone, kids or adults, can pause and ask, what would Brain Bun say right now? And it's so cute. I mean, it's squishy and it kind of snaps you out of your own thoughts. Again, this small shift in language for others or even for self-talk creates that space. And that space allows for regulation, co-regulation, and a shared family language to de-escalate in real time so that you can have less drama, more calm, and think of all the time that you can save. You'll save a lot of feelings and misunderstandings too. And now we all know about neuroplasticity, and we know that children's brains are especially susceptible to change. So imagine if they could develop the skills of self-regulation and self-talk that's more like a wise, friendly coach instead of the usual spiraling down negative thoughts that most of us tend to have. So now that we know a lot more about neuroscience, we can be smart about it and use BrainTalk. Write BrainTalk in the comments, and I'll send you your first free BrainTalk starter guide.